Minnesota Attorney General Keith Ellison announced this morning that he'd be joining several other state attorneys general from around the country in another suit against the Trump administration. This time, they're arguing that a new rule filed in the Federal Department of Health and Human Services crosses the bounds of what's allowed for the executive branch. It's not the first time he's made that argument in recent months. Friday's latest litigation attacks a new rule which will require new eligibility and registration requirements for Affordable Care Act marketplaces. Ellison argues that it violates the Administrative Procedure Act, which governs the regulations federal agencies can and can't make. While agencies are afforded the ability to make their own rules within the confines of that law, Ellison argues that this rule bleeds into an area of executive overreach. It's not the first time he's made that accusation.
It's not me who's just looking for fights with the administration. It's that the administration is doing things illegally. There are things, just about everything the Trump administration has done, and everything we've sued him for, he could do, but he has to do it legally.
Some disagree with the AG's approach. Doug Seaton with the Upper Midwest Law Center, a firm that's sparred with the Attorney General in the state level many times through the years, argues that Trump is only course-correcting the balance of power. Seaton says that the AG is engaging in political battles.
It's a very partisan behavior. It's a waste of taxpayer resources in Minnesota, tilting at windmills that really have little to do with Minnesota issues.
Ellison feels that since these issues directly impact Minnesotans, it's a worthy way to allocate their time and resources. Ellison says he believes that some members of the Supreme Court, like Chief Justice John Roberts, could still be convinced to rule in favor of some of his suits. Reporting in St. Paul, I'm Quinn Gorham.